How to use Pictory AI for video creation. Pictory AI is an AI-powered tool that helps users create professional quality videos quickly and easily. It's perfect for marketers, content creators, and businesses looking to turn text, blogs, or scripts into engaging videos. This script will guide you step by step on how to use Pictory AI to create stunning videos. Step 1. Sign up and log in. 1. Visit the Pictory AI website. Go to pictory.ai, https://pictory.ai. Click on the Get Started for Free or Sign Up button. 2. Create an account. Sign up using your email address or Google account. Choose a plan, free trial or paid subscription. 3. Log in. After signing up, log into your Pictory AI account. Step 2. Start a new project. 1. Dashboard overview. Once logged in, you'll see the Pictory dashboard. Click on Create Video to start a new project. 2. Choose a video creation method. Pictory offers 3 main ways to create videos: script to video, turn a written script into a video; article to video, convert a blog post or article into a video; edit video using text, edit existing videos by editing the text transcript. Select the method that suits your needs. Step 3. Script to video. 1. Enter your script. If you chose script to video, paste your script into the text box. Ensure your script is clear and concise for the best results. 2. Customize the text. Highlight key sentences or phrases to emphasize them in the video. Use the formatting options to adjust text size, color, and style. 3. Add media. Pictory will automatically suggest relevant images and video clips based on your script. You can also upload your own media, images, videos, or logos. 4. Choose a template. Select a pre-designed template that matches your video's theme or purpose. Step 4. Article to video. 1. Paste the article URL. If you chose article to video, paste the URL of the blog post or article you want to convert. Pictory will automatically extract the text and generate a video. 2. Edit the extracted text. Review the extracted text and make any necessary edits. Remove unnecessary sections or add additional details. 3. Add media and customize. Pictory will suggest visuals based on the article's content. Customize the media, text, and transitions as needed. Step 5. Edit video using text. 1. Upload a video. If you chose edit video using text, upload the video you want to edit. Pictory will generate a transcript of the video. 2. Edit the transcript. Edit the text to remove unwanted parts or add new content. Pictory will automatically update the video based on your changes. 3. Add captions or subtitles. Enable captions or subtitles to make your video more accessible. Customize the font, size, and color of the captions. Step 6. Customize your video. 1. Add a voiceover. Choose from Pictory's AI-generated voices or upload your own voiceover. Adjust the speed and tone of the voiceover to match your video's style. 2. Add background music. Select a track from Pictory's music library or upload your own. Adjust the volume to ensure the music doesn't overpower the voiceover. 3. Include branding. Add your logo, brand colors, and watermarks to the video. Ensure your branding is consistent throughout the video. Step 7. Preview and edit. 1. Preview the video. Click the preview button to watch your video. Check for any errors or areas that need improvement. 2. Make final edits. Adjust the timing of visuals, text, and transitions. Fine-tune the voiceover, music, and captions. Step 8. Export and share. 1. Export the video. Once you're satisfied with the video, click Export. Choose the video resolution, e.g., 720p, 1080p. 2. Download the video. After processing, download the video to your device. 3. Share your video. Share the video directly on social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook, or LinkedIn. Alternatively, embed the video on your website or blog. Tips for using Pictory AI. Keep scripts concise. Shorter scripts work better for engaging videos. Use high-quality media. Upload high-resolution images and videos for a professional look. Experiment with templates. Try different templates to find the best fit for your content. Leverage AI voices. Pictory's AI voices are highly realistic and can save time when recording. Conclusion: Pictory AI is a powerful tool for creating videos quickly and efficiently. Following this script can turn your ideas, scripts, or articles into visually stunning videos that captivate your audience. Start creating today and unlock the potential of AI-driven video creation.